Hi everyone, welcome back to another PA automation tutorial. In today's video, we're going to run through the unlock account automation in the ConnectWise environment. This is going to be running for a cloud hybrid client. So as you can see, PA is actually reading the ticket data and suggesting that we should be unlocking the account as we need to. PA then goes through the user Active Directory, finds all the users that are synced as this is a cloud hybrid environment, produces a form. We can see here's our form. Let's select our user, hit go. PA will then go through and issue the commands to unlock the account on Active Directory, replicate all the DCs in the environment, and then commit a DirSync so that this change is now available in 365. So this might be the perfect time to go and execute a secondary automation, as a DirSync may, as you might know, take a minute or so to complete. So for the sake of the video, I'll go quiet and I'll see you once this is complete. Okay, so only 15 seconds or so later and we are back, and we can see that we've actually now completed the unlock account package. So if you want to learn more about PIA, our automations, or our platform, feel free to have a look at our website at pia.ai. And apart from that, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.